Okay, hi everyone. I'm going to be reviewing the Lalifit throw, and when it came like this. This is what it came with, like that. And yeah, so I got two types. So this is like an Halloween kind, and then this is like a design, Christmas, like almost Christmas design of it. So we're going to first unpackage this. Okay, and I'm going to use my scissors and just cut it off. It's well packaged. It's very well packaged, almost vacuum dried. So I'm going to show you how big it is. It is a mixture of polyester, acrylic, and nylon. So this is a faux cashmere. This is what it looks like. Very soft fabric. This is my Christmas theme blanket because I'm decorating for Christmas, and it feels so soft against the skin. Very soft. The stitching is well done. Very beautiful. It contains tassels right there, and it's big, pretty big. You all see, this is a nice comfortable blanket that you can use. You can put it on your couches and arrange it on your couches, making it so beautiful. So this is one color I got. The other color I got is this almost fall looking print that it has. Now this one has a more shaggy appearance to it. So the appearance is not as smooth as the Christmas blanket one. This one has bigger tassels. So you can see how big the tassels are. Bigger tassels on it, and it's also so comfortable. So this is what it looks like. You can see the tassels up here like that. So the tassels are much bigger than the other one. So both of these are great purchases. I love them. They feel really nice on my body. They feel really good, really comfortable. Vibrant colors and easy to wash. When you wash this, you want to hand wash it and don't wring it. Just hand wash it and let it flat. So this is what it looks like, and yeah, I love it.